Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing something that is a secret that a lot of people don't know about. Have you ever watched a video or seen a photo, and when you're looking in the eyes of the person in front of the camera, there's like a ring inside their eyes? It's kind of like spacey looking, like a spaceship. It looks really cool, like it would be a contact or something. Well, did you know it's called a ring light? And a lot of makeup artists and YouTubers and just content creators from on all different platforms, they actually use these to lighten up the room, make things brighter. So it's a little dark in here. We have some lights on over there, but I want to demonstrate how this works. I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to demonstrate it, and there's going to be a link in the video description where you guys and girls can get this as well. Come on, we all want a little edge in the game. These provide that. So let's get started reviewing. So as I mentioned earlier, you can find this product in my video description. So this is Beauty Warm Fill-In Light. You know, great for live streaming. It's also, this one in particular is great for your cell phone. So let's go ahead and show you what you get. So very basic, very simple design. So what I like about these, you can bend it to however you want. You can clamp it on a table, or you can keep it positioned down. So if you go ahead and move it down like that, you can position everything how you want it to look better, and it will stay flat like that. Not quite flat, but you get the idea. You can also have it like this. So go ahead, mount everything, twist it, even out the weight a little bit, and you can move it around and have the weight like that. You can set something on it to keep the weight, you know, it doesn't have to be clamped down as well. Again, very simple. Your phone goes in here. You can turn it vertical, horizontal. Go ahead and thread this out like that. Pop that in here. So what we would do is we would drop this down through like that, pop this in there, you hear it click, go ahead and thread this back on, and don't make it tight right away so you can easily maneuver it around once you get your phone positioned. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So this table is a little thick. The tablecloth is kind of messing everything up, but I think it's still going to stay. Let's go ahead, bring this over here. By the way, there's, again, a link in the video description if you're interested. Now, you're going to need a place to plug in your USB, because it's going to be a USB. Now, you get a very long cord here, and you're going to want a computer or something that has power with a USB. So what I recommend, and I'll put a link in the video description, if you want it portable, movable, and you're not having it on your laptop or computer or in an outlet with a USB plug, then I highly recommend a power bank. I'll put a link in the video description of a bunch of power banks, and I'll show you how that works. So this is a power bank. There's many options. I'll put different price points in the video description. But this allows you to charge your phone and use anything with a USB basically with a power bank. So as a good example, and also this is something that doesn't come with it. If you want to use it for an outlet instead of a power bank, you can go ahead and use this, so that plugs in your wall outlet. Then the USB would just simply plug in there and you can power it that way. I prefer battery banks because they're portable. You can take them anywhere, whatever you want to do. And I'll link a video in the video description for this as well. So simply go ahead, take this, our power bank, place it in our power bank, and now we can go ahead and power this on. And as you can see, powered on and off just with our power bank. So let's see, you got different lighting. You can make it dim, brighter. In fact, to demonstrate this perfectly and better, we're going to go ahead and turn off all of our lights so you can see the brightness and the color change and so forth. So this is the max color. let's go ahead, drop it down. That's the dim it can go. Now you can change the color. So there's, let's see, we got white, warm, and a little lighter mixture. A lot of people use this for a natural tone, and of course you can up the brightness of that as well. So each one can change the brightness as well. Alright, let's go ahead and put our phone on here, like right up in here, like it's supposed to be. A lot of people can do it above the phone as well. There's many options to doing this. You can push it back in and you can lower it and make it above, just above the phone, just like that. Some people even put the phone in between the eye. So with the camera mounted, I've seen it done so many different ways. Like I've seen people have it like this, where they mount the camera right up against it. So as they're looking at the camera, it's directly in their eyes. So as you can see, there's that glare right there as we zoom in. But this is how it would look. I'm going to record on my phone and then put that in this video as well. So let's go ahead and show you. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm Scott. Hope you guys are having a good day. This is a test. Let's go ahead and test the different colors here. So now we got another color going on our skin and another color. So we got the white, we got the warm, and we got the mixture in between. Go ahead, we can drop down the color so it's not so bright but enough light that we can see. We're going to test this. This is the lowest on each setting. So there we go. You can see different color, how it changes, my face and the background and everything involved. Let's up it by 3. Switch over here. 1, 2, 3. And you can see. So the cool thing is when you look into my eyes, you can see that, glare. The bigger, a lot of people use even bigger lights and whatnot, but this works great for a phone and it's just good. Let's up the brightness. So in a dark area, it's just really, really good. Now, of course, you don't want to be staring at it full maxed out bright for too long because it can affect your eyes. So pick the kind of contrast you want. You don't have to have it super bright. In fact, when it's darker, you actually look a little better, your skin tone. So yeah, that's with it. In there, you can also have it somewhere else. Then the glare won't be as much, but on your eyes, so you won't see that ring as much. But yes, so with that being said, it's working great. I'm very happy with it. Very happy with everything. Let's play it back. Alright. Okay, so with all that being said and everything, the light and the color, everything's working great. I like it. I'm very happy with it. I don't see anything wrong with it. It worked perfectly good. Each setting worked. Everything's great. Works great with power bank and everything else. You don't need a power bank, as I said. So I honestly can give this, I would say, probably 8.4 to 8.6 out of 10. And that's a good score from me. That's definitely on a recommended product from me. So I do recommend this. I definitely think it's a great product and I love it. So I'll be using it for a lot of videos. And a great thing about something like this, it's portable. But if you have a staging area, you can manually set it somewhere, and it can always be in this position. So you go ahead, plop your phone on there, turn it on, you're good to go, and you can start making your videos. You don't have to fuss around with stuff, or pack it up, carry it with you, get a bag, put it in a bag. It's overall very great. Definitely a solid 8.5. So that's definitely goes in my top product playlist on my YouTube channel, and I recommend it. Links in my video description. Highly recommend it for you guys. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video and choosing to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Did you know I actually have multiple YouTube channels? So if you guys are interested, check out all my other YouTube channels if you are into other different content. So up here, as you guys can see, it should be right up in here. These are my other YouTube channels spelled out. So just search them. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and checking out my other channels. You guys are the best and you're the reason why I do this. So thank you so much for hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and checking out my other channels. See you guys on the next video.